In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Wix from scratch. First, open your browser and head to wix.com. Click sign up, enter an email address you check often, and create a strong, unique password. Follow the quick registration prompts so your account is fully set up, then log in. Using an email you regularly monitor ensures you won't miss confirmations or important updates about your site. After logging in, you'll land on the Wix dashboard, which acts as your control center. This is where all of your sites and projects live. Click Create New Site to begin. If you already have projects later on, you can always return here to manage or edit them in one place. Next, choose how you want to start. If you want full creative freedom and prefer to build everything from the ground up, select a blank site. If you'd rather begin with a professionally designed structure, pick a template. Browse by categories like business, portfolio, blog, or online store. Open a few previews and choose the one that best matches your purpose and style. Think about your brand personality and the type of content you'll showcase. Once you've made your choice, Wix opens the site editor. This is a visual drag and drop workspace where you can build without writing any code. You'll see your page on the canvas and tools around it that let you customize every detail. Start refining your content. Click any text box to edit headings and paragraphs so they clearly communicate what you offer. For images, select an image, click replace, then upload your own photos or choose from Wix Media. Update colors, fonts, and sizing in the settings panel on the right so everything aligns with your branding. Add the sections you need, header, gallery, contact, about, and more using the add button or add section. Drag elements into place and adjust spacing so the layout feels balanced, readable, and visually consistent. As you arrange content, use the alignment guides to keep elements evenly spaced and centered. These subtle snap lines help maintain a clean structure. Click Preview to see how your site looks on both desktop and mobile. Make small tweaks to image sizes, text scale, and spacing until everything feels polished and easy to navigate across devices. When you're happy with the design, click Publish. Wix will save your changes and make your site live. You can always reopen the editor later to refine content, update images, or evolve your design as your needs grow. That's how you create a website with Wix from scratch. With a simple sign up, a blank canvas or template, and the drag and drop editor, you can build a professional site even if it's your very first time. Explore, experiment, and enjoy bringing your website to life.